Is your Chevy Equinox backup camera showing a black screen or glitching out? Let's troubleshoot this in 2 minutes. Statistically, most display issues in these models are software related and don't require expensive hardware replacements. Before you visit a shop, we need to run through the most common points of failure for your camera system. Start by cleaning the lens, checking your fuse panel, and performing a hard reboot of the infotainment system. If that doesn't work, inspect the wiring harness near the trunk hinge, where wires often fatigue from repeated closing. The camera module itself can fail due to water intrusion, which is common if the exterior housing seal has degraded. Try a factory reset and fuse check at home, but leave the head unit diagnostics to a professional mechanic. As you can see, costs vary wildly depending on whether you are dealing with a simple fuse or a full head unit failure. For advanced users, use a multimeter to verify power at the camera connector to confirm the module is actually receiving electricity. Make sure you have a digital multimeter and some plastic trim tools handy so you don't damage your interior panels. Always disconnect your battery before probing electrical connectors to avoid causing further damage to your car's sensitive electronics. If these steps don't resolve your camera display, it's time to have a technician pull the stored error codes.